Welcome back, guys. This is the Empinated, and today I'm going to show you how to create an easy day of the week system in Unreal Engine 5 as a special tutorial for reaching 10 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, and let's keep going. Okay, guys, so let's start with the tutorial. First of all, let's create a new blueprint class for our game instance. So let's get game instance, select, let's call it my game instance. Let's open it up to create our initial variables. The first one will be our date. It will be an integer. The same will be an integer called the day counter to keep track of the day number. And last but not least, the day dictionary. This is a map of integer keys and string values in order to save each day of the week, from Sunday in position 0 to Saturday in position 6. Okay, now let's compile and save. Then create our first custom event that will be called set day week to obtain the current day. Let's drag the day variable to add 1 to its current value every time it's called. So +1. The trick here is using the module operator with our integer. So if we divide the current day number by 7, the remainder will be always between 0 and 6 because we have only 7 days. Then we drag the day counter variable to add 1 to its current value again each time this function is called. Now let's create another custom event to randomize the initial day. Let's call it set initial day. And let's drag the day variable and also the node random integer in range from 0 to 6. And by connecting it to the variable, the initial day could be different to Sunday. Then find the event init to initialize this set initial day event by dragging it to the flow of this node. Hit compile and save. And now let's create the widget blueprint in which we are going to display our data. So let's call it WBP underscore day. Open it. And first of all, let's drag a canvas panel. Then a border for our HUD. Let's change the anchors to the low center while holding Ctrl Alt and alter their size as shown. Let's change its color to a gray and with a half of opacity. Compile, save. Let's put it in horizontal box inside this border, and inside this horizontal box a text which will be called txt underscore day. Let's make it variable to alter its value, and let's change some statics. Hit compile and save, and let's change to the graph. Let's only keep the event construct, so let's delete that. Next, let's get the get game instance node to make a cast of our previously created game instance, my game instance. Let's connect it. Then go to the project settings to set the default game instance to my game instance here in maps and modes. Let's create a variable from this cast to have in this blueprint a direct reference of the game instance to call the variables in our next custom event called I don't know, display day. Then drag the txt day reference and call the set text node. Then drag the game instance reference variable to get the day dictionary and find the current day also from game instance to obtain the string name of the current index day. Then find the node format text connected to the text input of set text, and inside let's put two placeholders, one for the day and the other for the current number, each one between brackets so they can appear as inputs. The day input will be connected to the found string and the number to the day counter. Last but not least, let's drag this event to the event construct line, okay? Compile and save. Then go to the character blueprint, in this case, the third person character blueprint. And here in the event begin play, let's put a sequence. In the node below, let's create a widget, our WP day. And finally, to show it on screen, let's add it to viewport. Then, to get to the next level in the easiest way possible, let's call a debug key queue and call the node open level by object reference to open your next level. In this case, we always be the third person map, but you can change it to your own necessities. Finally, let's go to the viewport to open the blueprint level and cast the game instance previously created with the game instance node to add in one the day value each time this level is loaded with the set day week event of this game instance. Let's compile and save to test it. So let's see. And yeah, we start with Monday the 1st, then Tuesday 2nd, Wednesday 3rd, Thursday 4th, and so on. So as you can see, after the Sunday, the game starts again with Monday, each time I press Q to restart the level. And that's it for now, guys. We have a fully functional day of the week system to keep track of the current day in your level. Remember to set it up to your own necessities. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and again, thank you for learning Unreal Engine 5 alongside me. This is just the beginning. Bye.